What's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna show you next biggest meme coin on PolkaDot blockchain. From my understanding, this is gonna be one of the first meme coin on PolkaDot, and this is gonna be a real crypto gem. And since this is one of the first one, it has a huge potential, 1000x, maybe even 10,000x. And the best part about it, the meme coin is not even out yet. That's when you actually wanted to get in and follow the coin before it's actually going to be out and listed on any exchanges. But before I show you the project, just have to say something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So the meme coin is called Dot is Dead. So the actual coin is going to call Dead. And they already have a Telegram chat, and they also have a website. And as I stated earlier, it's going to be on PolkaDot blockchain. This is going to be one of the first meme coin on PolkaDot, and as you can see, it's at a very early stage, only 309 followers. So what you can do, you can open up their website and also join their Telegram channel. I would encourage everybody just to follow up and keep track exactly what's happening with the community. And if we're gonna open up their website, this is what you're gonna see first. There is a rumor circulating. Truth is, it finally happened. PolkaDot is dead. So this is just like a joke. Then join Telegram and then read a little bit more. And then if we scroll down, as you can see, looks like this is the founders or this is the team. And then if we scroll down even more, you can just read a little bit more about this project or what they're trying to do. Then afterlife or a roadmap, we press on it. So the best part, there is not going to be a pre-sale, so there's not going to be VCs involved. So no team, early investors. Looks like the previous people I showed, they probably just the developers. I don't think it's a team because they said no team. And then it's going to be airdrop to all DOT holders. So with that being said, to qualify for the free airdrop, the only thing you have to do is to hold PolkaDot coin. But keep in mind, most likely you will have to hold the token in non-custodial wallet. So this is like wallet that's supported on DOT ecosystem. So if you hold DOT in a centralized exchange such as Coinbase, KuCoin, MEXC, or any other centralized exchanges, I doubt that you're going to be getting that airdrop. So you actually have to hold, and this is me just guessing, so this is not 100% confirmed, but in most cases you have to hold a non-custodial wallet. And there are plenty of them out there if you would like to buy on like Coinbase or somewhere else and then transfer to a desktop or mobile wallet. And then if we scroll down, there's going to be also phase 2, deploy Dead Bird NFT, flagship NFT collection deployed on PolkaDot. So they're also going to be creating NFT collection, and this is kind of like a repeat of Shiba, because they also came out with the NFTs. Tokens was first and then NFT collection, and to participate in NFT collection you had to hold so many Shiba tokens, I think Bone and something else. So I won't be surprised if they are doing exactly same approach as Shiba did, but this is still actually pretty cool. And then if we scroll down, and then phase 3 to be determined. So this is just like a little meme. And then we can look at the crime scene. So the crime scene is just a bunch of meme was posted most likely by the community. And then that post also, if you're gonna create meme and then post them in Telegram or on Twitter, they will repost something like this. And then frequently asked questions. So this site represents the centralized community driven project. So you can read frequently asked questions here, and then you can also join their Telegram. Like I stated earlier, I would recommend everybody to join Telegram just to see all the updates from the project. And also you can follow them on Twitter to stay up to date. And this is pretty much it. This is going to be the next biggest meme coin on PolkaDot ecosystem, since they don't really have one. I think this project has a huge potential, 1000x, maybe 10,000x, maybe even more. We don't know, depends on actual hype. And the best part, to qualify for free airdrop, you only have to hold PolkaDot tokens. And this is pretty much it. Links to this project I'm going to leave in the description below. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.